Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so this is a continuation videos to previous video I did on how to create a YouTube channel. So we are continuing to uploading a video onto your new YouTube channel. So you click on upload video. So it opens this page for you. Then click on select files. So select files should take you to your directory where your videos are saved. So mine is opening. It's a little slow, it should come by now, but yeah, doing some those skirmishes. Okay. So let me select the video. So click on open and it's uploading, yeah. So when the upload is it's running on the background here, that's good. So you can continue by selecting a title. So give it a preferred title, yeah, eye-catching type. So then add the description. So the description mainly tells all your viewers about the content of the video or what's in the video or what the video is about. So once that one is, let me just put how to create YouTube channel. Then I hit on next. So yeah, flagged an error because you have to scroll down and do more to your video. So you select your playlist, which you can create. I'll treat it in another video how to create a playlist. For now, we are just uploading the video, so we won't select any playlist because there's no playlist. So you come and select your audience. So if your audience are kids or the materials you are uploading or the video you did is for kids, you just check this box saying yes, it's made for kids. So it will suggest it to only kids, or but if it's not for kids, you select no, it's not made for kids. So it will give or it will suggest to adults, not kids, because they might not understand what's in the video. So once that is done, you click on next. So next, as you can see, it uses cards on internet screen, blah 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 blah. I'm not adding any of those, so I go next. So checks. So it's checking. Next checks the video to see if there's any copyright violation or anything. So currently it's checking, and it says was checking if your video content is copyright. Yeah. So exactly what I said. That's what it's doing now. So as you can see, the net is checking and says 8 minutes left. So cool. So we can go ahead and click on next. So yeah, next comes to visibility. So as under visibility, you choose how your video should be published. So if you want it to be private, yes, that one will be under only your profile. But as you want others to view our content, you select public, then click on publish. So once it's published, your video is gone into your channel and everyone can see it.